Crazy Creative Kitchen, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna make fish tea. Jamaican way, in America we'd say we're gonna make fish soup. So today I'm gonna make fish tea. So to make fish tea you need ground provision, you need spices, you need carrots, and never forget the Scotch bonnet pepper, and most importantly you need dumplings. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. Fish tea, Jamaican style, and stick around for the end of it, because at the end I'm gonna give you my special little secret that I do when I make my fish tea. So first of all, I have already cleaned my snapper, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna just cut them up, and then I got my pot with my water ready. I got my pot boiling, so just adding my ingredients as I go along. And most of it you'll see that the ingredients is, so it doesn't even make sense. I'm telling you, I'm adding this. If there's something that you're not used to, I'll tell you, like, okay, I'm adding chicken noodle soup, or I'm adding pumpkin noodle soup, but for the most part I'm just adding as I go along. You'll see the ingredients, and you can put whatever you want in your soup, because some of the stuff I use you might not use, so you can just put your own ingredients in. The concept is to give you the recipe so you can follow. You can change what you want, you can add what you want, and that's just how the story goes. So let's get into it. I'm just chopping up my ingredients, adding it slowly, and boiling vigorously. At the end I'm gonna just turn my flame down so it simmers a little bit, but right now I'm just boiling everything. Get all that. And the thing too is, when you make fish tea or fish soup, is you have to be careful because you don't take the bones out. So what happens is the fish comes apart and then the bones are everywhere. So it's kind of a weird soup, but it's good. So this one I'm putting in, they call it chocho. I don't know what they call it in other parts of the world, but it's not a ground provision, but it provides body to the soup. So what you do is you peel it, you take the center out, that little part right there, and then you just chop it up and you put it in there. And as always, just look at that like button down below, hit the like button, leave a comment, and let me know what you think about the channel, let me know what you think about the video, and as always, share, subscribe, support the channel. Crazy Creative Kitchen, fish soup, otherwise called fish tea. So we've added all our messy ingredients. We've added our yam, we've added our carrots, we've added our chocho, I added a little green pepper in there, added a little onions in there, scallion, thyme, I add my Scotch bonnet pepper in there. So what I'm doing now is we just let that boil, then we're gonna turn it down, we're gonna make our dumplings, we're gonna make a little spinners, so to say. So we gotta add our dumplings, and then we're gonna put in our cock soup. So this is what our soups looks like right now. It's just all our ingredients being boiled to make that stock. In American term, in cooking term, we call a velouté. So we're just making our stock right now. Looks nice, but you can't smell it. So now we've added our cock soup, so we're gonna mix that so it's nice, dissolved, and is dispersed all over our soup, so it can just boil and stuff like that. So we've added our cock soup. So now you'll see your soup start to thicken a little bit. So what you want to do is you want to turn the flame down, because you don't want to burn. Now it will be able to burn because it's not water anymore. it's of a thicker consistency. So you want to turn the flame down a little bit. So this is what our soup looks like now. And if you look carefully, you'll see the Scotch bonnet pepper floating and swimming all around. We didn't break the pepper because we don't want it to be too hot. So the secret to this soup is, as soon as it thickens up, I'm gonna add coconut milk. And then after I add the coconut milk, I'm gonna let that just reduce, and that's gonna be the body of my soup. And it's also gonna give you a nice vibe. It's gonna give you a nice vibe at the end of the taste. So when you taste your soup, you taste all your flavors. So at the back, you're gonna taste that coconut flavor. So this is our soup, and it's coming together pretty good. We're gonna just let that boil. Usually a soup like this takes like a half an hour, 45 minutes, and tops. You're ready for dinner or whatever snack, or if you're just having a little get together, your soup will be ready. So now we're putting in our spinners, or so to say, we're putting in our dumplings. Usually you want to put your dumplings close to the end. So now we're just putting in our dumplings, and then we'll see what happens. So as always, hit the like button, leave me a comment, let me know if you've ever had fish tea before or fish soup. However, let me know what's your favorite type of fish when you make soup. And if you look at the fish, you'll see it starts to break apart. So what you'll find is there's bones in there, so you have to be careful when you drink this type of soup. So just let me know what you think about fish tea. And if you haven't seen my chicken feet video, check out that video. If you haven't seen my video on how to make barbecue ribs, check out that video. I'm gonna leave a link in the description right here for the barbecue ribs video, so you can go check that video out. And as always, like, share, subscribe. Crazy Creative Kitchen. So if you look at the soup starting to thicken up, right now it's starting to thicken up, the consistency starting to get better, the flavor starting to come together. You'll start to see all those flavors. You'll start to smell all those flavors coming together and soup. So another 5-6 minutes and our soup ready. So don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Let me know what you think about Jamaican fish tea. Crazy Creative Kitchen. Fish tea, fish soup. And what you can do too is you can put some okra. As I said all the time, you want to follow the recipe. The recipes are wonderful, recipes are good, but you can add your touch and share it. If you have any recommendations, leave it in the comment section below, and test out some of your recommendations comment section. As always, Crazy Creative Kitchen, fish tea, fish soup.